Okay, so here's the fourth one on the 8th grade test. Determine the product. 800.5 times 2 times 10 to the 6th. And your choices are those four choices. 1.7 times 10 to the 7th, 1.601 times 10 to the 7th, 1.7 times 10 to the 9th, and 1.601 times 10 to the 9th.
We haven't really talked about this either.
Nope, this is a couple of different things, but the thing that probably is the most confusing is scientific notation.
Yeah.
Okay. What can you tell me about this product? What do you think that product?
It's probably going to be it's going to be a decimal.
All right.
Yes, it's going to have a decimal point, a number.
Okay.
So, but all of these choices have decimals.
Yeah,
So we can't really eliminate anything.
that's true.
But I think I'm a bit confused on this. Is this the decimal point? Or is this a comma?
No, that's a decimal point too. Sorry, I just wrote a little sloppy. So they all those are decimal points. Sorry about that.
Well, let's see. 10 to the 6. 10 to the 6 is going to be. It's gonna be a pretty big number. It's gonna be 2 with 6 zeros after it.
Okay, so this is 800.5 times 2 with 6 zeros after it.
I think that's a million.
Okay.
But then all of these numbers are less than. All of these numbers are a bit more than 1.
Yep.
These numbers are really, really big.
Yeah. Well, all these numbers have a times 10 to a big power though. So they have both.
Well, 800 is 8 times 10 to this. 8 times 10 to the second. So I'm thinking it's going to be C or D.
Okay. Interesting. So we have a 10 to the second already. So we have you're saying this looks like a lot like 8 times 10 to the second times 2 times 10 to the 6th. Okay.
Yeah.
What's a simple multiplication we can do in here?
We can do 8 times 2.
Which is 16
16.
times 10 to the second times 10 to the 6th.
Then
What's 10 to the second times 10 to the 6th?
it's 10 to the 12th. Or 10 to the 8th.
Okay, so this is 16 times 10 to the 8th.
Which is a 16 with 8 zeros after
It's a
it.
16 with 8 zeros. So you're right, these are too small. So if I have a 16 with 8 zeros, which one of these do you think that's going to look the most like?
I think it's probably, it's maybe C.
Okay. This is 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right?
Yep.
This is a 1. It's got 9 zeros, but it's got that decimal. So what is 1.6 times 10?
1.6 times 10 is 6. It's 16.
16. So this is the same as 16, I'm ignoring the 01,
Yeah.
times 10 to the 8th.
Yeah. So it looks a lot like that
Looks
one.
a lot like that. So we will get to this in a few years.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. You haven't seen this at all, so. All right, good job. Good talking about that. That was actually, I like the way you talked about that.